Okay. Hey everyone, it's Anders with Sony here. I'm here at CEDIA Expo 2025. We are in the Sony living room. This is not just a dedicated theater space, but this is a partnership of all of the Sony partners, and wow, a huge screen here. This is our 193-inch Sony Crystal LED. This is our CH series, high contrast, incredible deep blacks, super color, just the most amazing video display you've ever seen. And of course, this modular wall can go anywhere sizes from 138 inches all the way on up to whatever size your wall can accommodate. But we're doing CEDIA this year not just about Sony, but about the Sony partnerships. So over here on this wall here, we have the Leon Studio frame. We wanted a living room aesthetic, so this is our Bravia 9. It is our best-in-class mini LED TV. Looks incredible when you're watching TV, but when you turn it off, it's going to be a beautiful piece of art here with the Leon Studio frame. We've even continued the Leon Studio frame aesthetic over here to the Sony Crystal LED with the frame for Crystal LED. Over on the flip side, we've got a great partnership with Liquid View. These are Sony BZ40 series monitors, professional monitors mounted vertically, but we're not just playing a YouTube video on it. This is using the incredible realism of the Sony displays with the 24/7 feed from Liquid View. So we get really natural sunrises, sunsets, a natural light coming into what might otherwise be a closed off space. To really accent this, we've got the shades here from Crestron and the lighting from DMF to finish out the room. For the audio in here, wow, we have really brought the heat with the Wisdom Sage series of speakers. We are running a 9.4 system from Wisdom, but we are using Sony ES receiver as the preamp, and then those awesome Wisdom amplifiers to run all the power. And then for the seating, hey, we got to have some great seats. We have partnered up with Cinematech for some amazing seating to make this a really comfortable place to enjoy CEDIA. All right. Oh, okay. So for more information on this, please check out the SonyPremiumHome.com for all of these great ES and Sony custom products.